Hey, son, do you have a moment? I want to talk to you about something.
Sure, Dad. What's up?
Well, I have been thinking about our plans for the weekend. What will you be doing on Saturday?
I will be going to soccer practice in the morning. Why? Do you need me for something?
Oh, that's good to know. I will be fixing the car on Saturday morning, so I will not be able to take you to practice.
No problem, Dad. I will be asking Mom to take me.
Great! And what will you be doing after soccer practice?
I will probably be resting because soccer practice makes me really tired. But in the afternoon, I will be studying for my math test.
That's good. I'm glad you will be studying. I will be working on some home repairs in the afternoon. Maybe after that, we can do something together in the evening?
Yeah, that sounds fun. What will we be doing?
I was thinking we could go to the movies. They will be showing that new superhero movie you wanted to see.
Oh, that would be awesome. So, we will be watching the movie on Saturday night?
Yes, we will. And after that, we will be grabbing some dinner. How does that sound?
That sounds perfect, Dad. I'm really excited.
Me too. I think it will be a fun evening. But remember, on Sunday, we will be visiting your grandparents.
Yeah, I remember. What time will we be leaving?
We will be leaving around 10 a.m. We will be driving for a couple of hours, so I want to leave early.
Okay. Will we be staying there the whole day?
Yes, we will be spending most of the day with them. They will be preparing lunch, and we will be chatting, playing games, and just relaxing.
What will they be cooking?
Grandma will be making her famous lasagna. I know you love it.
Oh, yes. I can't wait to eat it.
I know. It's one of my favorites too. So, after lunch, we will be spending some time in the garden. Grandpa will be showing you his new plants.
Oh, cool. I will be asking him about gardening tips then.
I'm sure he will be happy to share. We will be staying there until evening, and then we will be heading back home.
Will we be doing anything special on Sunday evening?
No, we will just be relaxing. You will probably be finishing your homework, and I will be reading my book.
Sounds like a peaceful Sunday evening.
Yes, it does. But don't forget, on Monday, you will be going back to school, and I will be heading to work.
Yeah, I know. I will be getting up early for school.
I will be making breakfast while you get ready, so don't worry about that.
Thanks, Dad. I appreciate that.
No problem. I will be heading to work right after dropping you off, so it will be a busy morning for both of us.
What will you be working on next week?
I will be working on a big project at the office. We will be meeting with some clients on Wednesday.
Wow, sounds important.
It is. But it should be fine. We will be preparing all the details this week.
Good luck with that.
Thanks. So, what will you be doing at school next week?
I will be studying for my exams. They're coming up soon.
I see. Will you be needing any help with your studies?
Maybe with math. I will be reviewing my notes this week, but if I have questions, I will ask you.
Sure, I will be happy to help. Just let me know when you need me.
Thanks, Dad. I will be focusing a lot on math and science this week.
That's a good idea. You will be doing great if you stay focused.
I hope so. I will be working hard to.
I'm sure you will. You always do well when you put in the effort.
I will try my best.
That's all I can ask for. Just remember to take breaks. You don't want to be studying all day without any rest.
Yeah, I will be taking short breaks to relax.
Good plan. And remember, if you need help, I will be there.
Thanks, Dad. I will be doing my best to balance everything.
That's the spirit. So, what will you be doing this evening?
I will be watching a movie with Mom. She said we will be watching a comedy.
That sounds fun. I will be working in the garage for a bit, but if I finish early, I will join you both.
Cool. We will be starting around 7 p.m.
I will try to be there. If not, I will be watching the next movie with you for sure.
Deal.
All right. Let's make sure we get everything done this weekend so we can enjoy ourselves.
Definitely. I will be following the plan.
Great. It looks like we will be having a busy but fun weekend.
I can't wait.
I hope you liked this conversation. If it helped you improve your English a little more, please subscribe to the channel and share this video with a friend. Thank you very much for your support. Take care.